Hello guys, welcome back to Jake's Happy World. Today I will be giving you a tour at my island. So I started playing Creeper Tycoon 2 when I was 5 years old. So yeah, so now I will show you what has actually happened. As you can see, there's nothing just because it's loading up. And look at this, it's still loading up. It's so gigantic. It's so large. So there's one place. So this place is called Blue Island, all blue. I don't know why I said all blue. So yeah, it's still loading up. So I've actually used my mom's help to do half of it, cause yeah, it's pretty hard to play. So yeah, my mom did half of it. Good job, mama. Good job. Say good job to your moms. Over here, look at that. I have a big progress going on right now. So, Mama, I need my eyeglasses. Oops. So here is some sort of yeah, this is the plane. So let's start off from the tour right here, even though the park is still loading up. Let's start off from over here, because you don't want to break the rules of my place. So, Jake 14's theme park. Okay, there, fully loaded, guys. Blue land, all blue. Look at the top. I'm most richest. Am I? Never mind. This is my previous one, though. So, let me start off from the first part. Okay, guys. So, yeah, let me start from the first part. Over here, as you can see up there, it says blue land, all blue. So, let's go out here. 30 likes. You see that, guys? Yeah, 40 likes. Blue land, all blue. See that? There's a flag of blue. So over here, you're going to enter from here. Have fun. Always have fun. Epic fun. Have fun. Do not mess up. So this is where you exit. This is where you enter, and this is another entering place. And then over here, this is just for going into here. So, and there's something over here. It's a big maze. Big maze. It's a very big maze. Big yes, 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 yes. Yes, big maze, yes. Okay, so now you're gonna go, so you're gonna see it says food court. So over here, nice food court. And my favorite, and food court. And here, this is the food court. We have lots of food. So we have popcorn, some nice watermelons, and this what's this called? A burger place, yeah. And then over here we have some slushies, and over here another watermelons and strawberries, another popcorn. Yeah, this is my favorite one. What's it called again? I forgot. What's it called again? Cotton? Sushi? No, cotton candy. Yeah, here's the slushies. The slushy stall. And over here is so let's actually lower the amount. Oh my god, the slushy stall is too expensive. Okay, we're trying to get more guests. So I'm trying to get more guests by lowering the prices. We need the guests so that we can be on top leaderboard. I'm lowering the prices of these stuff so that we can get a good amount of people so that we can get more money. But it is taking away our amount of money we are earning though. So let me show you this. So my favorite part is over here, the large food court, the main food court. Yeah, that's the main one right here. And then over here is the fun, what's it called again? The fun parade. And over here is actually my originally is my main food court. It's called my main food court because this one I worked very hard on. Yeah. And then over here the main food court and like the food parade. And over here is the entertainment food. And here's the yeah, the the stuff the drinking parade, drinking place. And over here, this is the nice little train to death. So let me show you my favorite spot. It's right there. That's my favorite roller coaster. I worked very hard on it. Also, let me show you it. So let's go. Okay, so I think. Oh my God, I missed it. It was right there. Over. Oh, yeah.
Who's your friend, huh? Go with him.
I don't have one friend.
That one walking.
Koken?
What's his name?
They're fake people.
I know, but you need to roleplay.
Hi, Koken. Okay, fine. Hey, Koken. Koken, you're my friend, right? Please. No. Oh, he just ignored me.
Talk to him.
He ignores me.
Maybe there's something wrong with him. Why is he ignoring you?
Because they don't talk.